What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a very special one, and I am so hyped on this because this is an unboxing of my very first box Lego that I have gotten for retail. I've been trying since, I've been full-time doing Supreme since about 2017, so I've been trying basically every box Lego since then. It's been nothing but L's, but we finally got my very first box Lego for retail, so we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Had to bust out the box Lego for this video. That's enough talking. Let's get right into this. Alright, so this is gonna probably be like a super quick video because there's literally just one thing in here, but I had to make a whole video just for this because I've been so hyped to get this, and this has been sitting here for about a week now, and I just now have time to open it, so I cannot wait any longer. The shipping on this though did take a very long time. We got two regular old box Lego stickers, and then here it is right here, the COVID-19 relief box logo, the Murakami. This is so sick. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Was able to get this in a size large. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be opening it up because I am going to be keeping it on ice for a while now. But yeah, size large. Here's the box again. I tried to give some close-ups. This is so sick. Like, I'm so hyped I was able to get this. This is so sick. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I actually have no idea if that's picking that up, but I hope you can see it. Another thing I was thinking too, I thought that would have been sick if they would have did the box Lego sticker with this print. I thought that would have been so sick. I wish they would have did something like that. It's not really too much more to say about it. It was a super quick video and pretty lame since I'm not opening it, but I do just want to keep this on ice for as long as I can because prices on this have tanked. People are letting this go for about 500 or less right now. At the time, that was going for like 900 or something like that. Hopefully that goes back up in price, but I'm gonna keep it on ice like I said for a while. Hopefully that's gonna get bigger like in a year or two. I have no idea how long I'm gonna keep it on ice, but like I said, hopefully it goes back up in price. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys were able to get this box Lego, if you paid retail or if you paid resale. Like I said like 1,000 times in this video already, I was able to secure this for retail, and I am so hyped I was finally able to do that because I've went for so many box Legos, never got one, and we finally got the first one. And then actually the next week I was able to get the cutout box Lego as well, even though it's not really a box Lego, kind of is, kind of isn't. We're on a roll this season. I was talking all that smack about how I hated this season because I wasn't able to get anything, but now we've been on a roll. Hopefully it continues for the remainder of the season. Like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are able to pick this box Lego up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Drop a comment as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.